We are live. Market update. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the last month of April 2023. The altcoin market is dumping to gobbling town in the last 1 week. Where are we heading in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Bitcoin is currently trading above $27,000. Are we going to see Bitcoin continue dumping to gobbling town? How low can the market go if we continue dumping to gobbling town? Right now, we are seeing a dump in the cryptocurrency market. Where are we going to find support? We're going to be taking a look at new stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. That much talked about alt season. Is alt season going to happen? Which altcoins will be pumping aggressively to the upside? We're also going to be taking a look at liquidation data in the last 24 hours. Guys, over $100 million have been liquidated from more than 34,000 traders. We'll also be taking a look at other news making the rounds in the cryptocurrency world. So let's start with the general market update, guys. On the weekly time frame, all coins are dumping very aggressively to gobbling town. Right now, the market is dumping. Live update. If you take a look at what Bitcoin is doing, if we go on the 4-hour time frame, you will see that Bitcoin is aggressively dumping, and we might just be setting a low for April 2023. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $31,000, but Bitcoin has been dumping in the last 1 week. Bitcoin has gone from as high as $31,000. Bitcoin has dumped right now to as low as $26,984. Bitcoin is still holding support. We have not still seen Bitcoin crack that $26,500 region. Hopefully, we're going to find support at that level. If you take a look at Bitcoin RSI, the lowest we have seen it since that dump we had in March of 2023 was when it got to in the 21st of April 2023. So hopefully the bottom might be in. We might still see the RSI come lower. We might see the price come lower. Right now, a lot of people are getting liquidated. Guys, hopefully we might see Bitcoin hold that $26,000 level. But if Bitcoin doesn't hold that level, all coins might continue dumping aggressively to gobbling town. If you take a look at what the altcoin market is doing right now, the altcoin market is dumping. We're seeing Bitcoin season, and Bitcoin season means Bitcoin is still in charge of the market, and that's always a good time to accumulate altcoins. Are you going to be buying altcoins right now? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's take a look at what the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, is doing. Ethereum is healthy right now, trading around the $1,800 region, which is actually good to see, guys. Ethereum is trading where we were trading on the 4th of April 2023. We're still in the bear market. If you take a look at what Ethereum has been doing since the turn of the year, if you bought Ethereum on the 1st of January 2023, right now where Ethereum is trading, you would have still been in the 52% profit. So even though we're dumping to gobbling town, let's put some perspective to it. We have been seeing a continuous rally since November of 2022. And for us to go up, we have to have some pullbacks along the way. We have also seen Ethereum have this dump right here that happened in February. That dump ended in March, and we saw Ethereum going down by 21%. Since Ethereum got to as high as $2,100, Ethereum has only gone down by 15%. But a lot of people are expecting it to continue going lower, guys. Hopefully, we're going to find support at the $1,800 region. I still believe we might still see Ethereum pumping to higher prices. We're going to be talking about worst case scenarios and best case scenarios. First, for Bitcoin, let's see the best case scenario in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we use our Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Bitcoin right here to the bottom where we've gotten to in this dump, hopefully, if Bitcoin doesn't go lower than this, we should expect to see maybe Bitcoin rallying to as high as $29,000. If we're very lucky, Bitcoin can even get to as high as maybe $30,000 in the short term. This is the short term. I still believe in longer term, we're still going to see Bitcoin rallying towards $40,000, maybe even getting higher than that. But right now, this is the biggest dump we have seen for Bitcoin in quite a while. I mean, in terms of fear, a lot of people are scared in the market. We have seen distribution happening since the 17th of March 2023. Bitcoin had this short squeeze to the upside where a lot of people were betting that Bitcoin would start dumping to gobbling town, and we just saw Bitcoin start cracking, start pumping from that $28,100 region. Bitcoin just went towards $31,000. In the coming days and the coming weeks, Bitcoin is going to tell us the direction of the market. If we see Bitcoin maybe rallying towards $30,000, we see the altcoin market pumping aggressively, going to higher prices, guys, it might just mean we'll get that bear market all season. And you know how all season happens? It comes very quickly and it goes very quickly. If you take a look at what's happening on a daily time frame in the altcoin market, the altcoin market is dumping to gobbling town. We have just few cryptocurrencies that have a positive trading day to day. We have Stacks, Casper, FXS, Render Token, Woo, and BitGet. If not, the rest of the market is dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. We can easily still see Ethereum maybe rally to as high as $2,000. I can see a possibility of Ethereum rallying towards $2,000. We see Bitcoin rallying, maybe not to $31,000. Bitcoin can even surprise us, maybe get to $29,000 or push the button and get to $29,200, and we'll see altcoins pumping to higher prices. In that scenario, guys, if there's still greed in the market, as the altcoin season index is telling us right now, the market can't decide whether we should dump or whether we should pump. But remember, Bitcoin is still trading around $27,000. And when we see Bitcoin heading maybe towards $30,000 and you see greed return to the market, that will be a smart time to be taking some profits off the table. Now let's take a look at some news stories happening in the crypto world. Bitcoin price tags new April low as traders wait off of $25,000 next. Bitcoin threatens to break down below $27,000 and traders already waiting with their downside BTC price targets. A lot of people are getting bearish very soon, but right now you can even see that Bitcoin has been broken below that $27,000. A lot of people are placing attention at the $27,000 region. Bitcoin got to as low as $26,983, and Bitcoin can still go lower. I'll still be expecting Bitcoin to hold this level. We can even still see Bitcoin maybe dump to as low as $26,500 before we'll possibly see a retracement to the upside. Maybe Bitcoin might rally one more time to as high as $29,000. At $29,000, a lot of people will be taking some short-term profits. Guys, a lot of smart investors got Bitcoin below $20,000 and they'll be looking to book some profits. Bitcoin has started the year on a very bright note. The bulls are very happy. Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. But remember, at some point in time, the bulls are going to get wrecked. The bulls are going to see their profits disappear very quickly. Bitcoin is still up more than 66% from when we started the year, and Bitcoin might even go up maybe to that $29,000. And at that level, Bitcoin will be up 75% from when we started the year. A lot of smart investors will be taking some profits. Just maybe, I might see Ethereum even get to that $2,000. Ethereum rallying around $2,000. We'll see Ethereum starting the year from $1,200 rallying to $2,000. That will see Ethereum going up by around 68%. And knowing how the market is very volatile right now, we can see that rally happen very quickly. A lot of people are already betting that Bitcoin might go to as low as $25,000 in the coming days and the coming weeks. And it makes a lot of sense for Bitcoin to even go that low, because guys, if we lose that $26,500 level, the next logical support for Bitcoin is coming around the $25,000 region. So will Bitcoin head there in the coming days and the coming weeks? KuCoin to reimburse victims of short-lived Twitter account hack. The crypto exchange announced it will fully reimburse all verified asset losses from the fake giveaway promotion. We saw KuCoin Twitter getting hacked. Some fake links were posted, and some people were scammed. But luckily, KuCoin is saying they are going to return all the money to those people that were scammed. I'll take a look at the total crypto market cap. Excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, it got to as high as $400 billion. The last time we saw a huge rally in the altcoin market, we pumped on the 5th of November 2022, and we got to as high as the $414 billion region. So if you see the altcoin market pumping aggressively, setting new highs, and Bitcoin is not getting to as high as $22,000, maybe higher than that, guys, that might just be a telltale sign that we are maybe getting to the end of the rally. But there may still be a possibility of the altcoin market getting to as high as $450 billion. Most times when these rallies are coming to an end, it's altcoins that will pump aggressively to the upside, getting people to think we're going to see another alt season. Some altcoins will just be pumping, and when those altcoins are pumping, it's very easy to see the altcoin market going up by around 24 to 25%. We have not seen a lot of altcoins set new highs going back to the levels where they were trading in August of 2022. If we see Bitcoin and Ethereum retracing around, Bitcoin going to $29,000, Ethereum going towards the $2,000 region, and we see the altcoin market heading to the $450 billion region, guys, that might be a level you want to take some profit in the short term, because if we see us getting to that level and we face rejection and we start dumping to Goblin Town, that dump might be aggressive. We might even come back to the lows, maybe to as low as $300 billion. We're still in the bear market. If you zoom out on a larger time frame, remember in the bear market where we want to accumulate, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. So if you're looking at your chart on a weekly time frame and you know that time is your friend when it comes to investing, guys, you will know that right now we're deep in the bear market. If you're waiting for when that total crypto market cap will see a rally, maybe to new all-time highs, worst case scenario, we'll see it getting to as high as the $1 trillion level. And guys, there's always that possibility happen very, very quickly. So right now that we're dumping to Goblin Town, this is your opportunity to get all those altcoins you are wishing you bought some days ago. Some few days ago, the altcoin market was bubbling. We're talking about Altseason. If you go on the channel, on the videos we're making, market videos, most of them were talking about Altseason because the altcoin market was pumping and a lot of people were expecting altcoins to continue going to higher prices, and that was just around 7 days ago. A little pullback in the market and people are already wishing for us to continue dumping to Goblin Town, and Bitcoin dominance is on the edge. If we see Bitcoin dominance dumping, guys, that might be a very, very good sign for the altcoin market in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin dominance got to as high as 49%. But Bitcoin dominance has dumped to that 47% region and is currently just waddling sideways. If we see a huge dump in Bitcoin dominance, maybe to the 44% region, and we see altcoins pumping to higher prices, guys, those key levels where we talked about, you want to pay attention to them. If we see the altcoin market getting to the $450 billion region, and we see Bitcoin not setting new highs, and we see Ethereum not setting new highs, then maybe that's a telltale sign getting ready for a short-term dump to the downside. When the part of the bear market, we should expect to see Bitcoin dominance going up. If we want to see that eventual alt season where everybody has been waiting for, where all coins will be pumping to the moon, where everybody will be shouting kumbaya, guys, for that kind of alt season to happen, we have to see Bitcoin dominance going up. And I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance later in the year, maybe getting to worst case scenario, that 58% region. If Bitcoin dominance doesn't face resistance there, we can even see Bitcoin dominance maybe getting above 60%. But that 58% region looks like a very likely place we'll be heading to. And if Bitcoin dominance is increasing the market, all coins might not be having a good time, because it either means Bitcoin is pumping and the altcoin market is not pumping as hard as Bitcoin, or the market is dumping but Bitcoin is not dumping as hard as altcoins, and you see Bitcoin dominance in the market increasing. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, this is an index that tells us how money is flowing in the cryptocurrency market. Is money flowing into Bitcoin, or is money flowing to altcoins? And right now, guys, it's telling us money is flowing to Bitcoin. Money has been flowing to Bitcoin in the last 90 days. Now, this metric shows us the performance of Bitcoin against other altcoins in the last 90 days. And Bitcoin has been outperforming most of the top 50 coins in the last 90 days. But the good news for altcoin markets is that anytime we're in the Bitcoin season, guys, that's always a good time to accumulate altcoins. Yes, I'm sure the altcoin market doesn't look pretty right now. Everything is red. Everything is dumping to Goblin Town. Yes, but in the bear market is where you want to accumulate. Deep in the bear market is where you're going to get that 10x, that 20x. Remember, when it comes to investing, time is your friend. When it comes to bear market accumulation, just do the right thing. In the bear market, majority of the time, all you need to do is control your emotions. The last time we saw a very strong signal of Bitcoin's performance like this in the market was in August of 2021. Let me show you what the altcoin market was doing in August of 2021. In August of 2021, we saw the altcoin market trying to pump to new all-time highs. We even got to a new all-time high of $987 billion. We still rallied up, and that rally took us to as high as $1.1 trillion by November of 2021. Right now, the altcoin market might be pumping to higher prices, but nothing like new all-time highs this time. Our target right now, if we're lucky in this bear market rally, will see us get to as high as the $450 billion level, and maybe, just maybe, we might head back down to Goblin Town for reaccumulation. Guys, only those people that are carefully accumulating the bear market are going to enjoy those huge pumps to the upside in the bull market. We're always going to have alt season. The last alt season we had was in September and August 2022. And what happened then? We saw all coins pumping to higher prices. Take a look at the last time the altcoin market had a significant pump, and that was that August 2022. We have not been able to rally to that August 2022 price, the $450 billion level. So I'll not be shocked if that alt season happens and we see the altcoin market maybe at least just going to the $450 billion region. When alt season happens, that will be a telltale sign when to sell. But right now, the altcoin season index is telling us it's Bitcoin season. And the past Bitcoin season has always been a good time to buy altcoins, getting ready for that final pump to the upside. Bitcoin price holding 27K could open buying opportunities in BNB, ADA, XRM, and TON. Altcoin prices have crumbled before BTC shall pull back, but BNB, ADA, XRM, and TON could be the first to bottom. The altcoin market is actually looking very juicy, guys. Remember, before Bitcoin started dumping right now, the altcoin market was not making any gains. Take a look at what Bitcoin has done in the last 1 week. Bitcoin the last 1 week is down 6%. But what's altcoin market down? A lot of altcoins are down double digits. Injective down 31%. CFX down 18%. ADA down 11%. Even Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, in the last 1 week, is down 11.7%. And if you go on a monthly time frame, Bitcoin is just down 0.7%. A lot of altcoins are even down bad than Bitcoin. So right now, we might be seeing capital flowing into the altcoin market slowly but surely. So drop your thoughts in the comment section, drop your thoughts in the live chat. Tell me, which altcoins are you buying? Which altcoins do you think are going to give those big pumps to the upside? If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, we have set new highs. We have gone above that August 2022 level. That's around the $1.17 trillion level. We got to as high as the $1.25 trillion region. I don't think we might be setting new highs, but if we're lucky to set new highs, we might even see us get heavily rejected when we get to that $1.33 trillion level. From where we're currently trading right now, the altcoin market will have to rally up around 19% for us to get there. The whole market, not the altcoin market, guys, the whole market will have to rally up 19% for us to get there, and that can happen very quickly. But if you see the total crypto market cap setting new highs, without Bitcoin setting new highs, without Ethereum setting new highs, and just the altcoin market pumping, guys, that will be a telltale sign that we are getting to the end of this rally. We have seen Bitcoin have its time in this rally. We have also seen Ethereum have its time in this rally. And we take a look at what happened the last time we saw that kind of thing happen in the market. This was in April of 2021. Bitcoin got to as high as $64,000. That was the all-time high. What happened then? We now saw a dump to the downside, and that dump took 9 days. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin was doing then in April of 2021. In April of 2021, Bitcoin was trading around the $64,000 region. Take a look at what Bitcoin was doing in April of 2021. Now, Bitcoin had that dump from $64,000. Bitcoin dumped to as low as $46,000. After that dump, Bitcoin had a 702 retracement. Let's look at that Fibonacci retracement tool right here. Bitcoin had a 702 retracement. Bitcoin went back to as high as $59,000, and that was the best time to sell your Bitcoin. But take a look at what the total crypto market cap did after that dump that Bitcoin had. We saw the total crypto market cap go to set new all-time highs, getting to as high as the $2.59 trillion level. But Bitcoin didn't set new highs, and that's how you know when to sell those altcoins. So if we see a retracement, if we see Bitcoin going to higher prices, if we see the total crypto market cap setting new highs without Bitcoin getting to $31,000 or $32,000, guys, that will be a telltale sign to get out of the market for the short term, because we might be experiencing a big dump to the downside. Now, if you take a look at the US dollar currency index, this index tells us when the dollar is performing well, and we noticed over time that if the dollar is performing well, Bitcoin usually dumps to Goblin Town. But if the dollar is dumping to Goblin Town, Bitcoin usually experiences a pump, and the dollar right now is holding this support around the 100.728 region. If we see the dollar going below it temporarily, all hell will break loose. People will be calling for Goblin Town. You'll see the crypto market rising maybe to $31,000, $32,000. Guys, that might just be a telltale sign that the bottom might be coming in for the dollar. Remember, you want to be doing the opposite of what the crowd is doing. People are going to be saying we're dumping when you should be buying. People are going to be saying we're pumping when you should be selling. You have to have the mind of your own. You have to have your own goals and targets. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap of Bitcoin and Ethereum, is currently at $750 billion. It got to as high as the $858 billion region. And I think the top is in for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've gotten to the highest we have seen Bitcoin and Ethereum get to since May of 2022. And we got rejected at that level, heavy rejection at that level. We dumped back to Goblin Town. So a 702 retracement for Bitcoin and Ethereum's market cap should see them maybe around the $820 billion region. Let's see what a 702 retracement will look like for Bitcoin and Ethereum's combined market cap. A 702 retracement will take Bitcoin and Ethereum's combined market cap back to the $820 billion region. From where we're currently trading, what would that mean? It will mean we'll see Bitcoin and Ethereum having around a 9 to 10% rise. Let's take a look at what a 9 to 10% rise for Bitcoin right now from where we're currently trading will mean for Bitcoin. Guys, remember, you can't take all these predictions to the bank. This is just hypothetical. I'm just trying to just mind guess what might happen in the market in the coming days and the coming weeks. From where we're currently trading, if Bitcoin gives us a 9% pump to the upside, we should see Bitcoin trading around that $29,800 region. But that won't mean Bitcoin will set new highs, and people will be bullish, thinking Bitcoin is getting ready to break out. For Ethereum, if we see Ethereum giving us that 9% pump to the upside from the $1,800 region, Ethereum will have to go from $1,830, 9% to the upside. We see Ethereum trading around that $2,000 region. That will be so perfect. People will be bullish. Bitcoin at $30,000. Ethereum $30,000. We'll see the altcoin market pumping to higher prices. Altseason, we'll be hearing talks of Altseason, greed will return to the crypto market, yada, yada, yada. Guys, if we see these conditions getting met in the next few weeks, this will be a telltale sign for you to start finding your way, getting some profits on the table. If you don't take some profits off the table, if you don't realize some profits, when we see those big dumps to the downside, you will not be able to take advantage of them. Yes, we all want to get that 10x, we all want to get that 20x, that 50x. I'm not going to be selling all my positions, but I'll be selling some to be able to take advantage of that dump to Goblin Town when the dump eventually comes. And if you're a trader, right now, be very, very careful, guys. A lot of people are getting liquidated. Over 35,000 traders have been liquidated in the last 24 hours. And all those liquidations have amounted to around $108 million. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has accounted for more than $38 million worth of liquidation. Ethereum, $26 million worth of liquidation. Then Arbitrum, XRP, Dogecoin, and Solana makes up other altcoins that have seen huge liquidations in the last 24 hours. A lot of these liquidations have been long liquidations. Be careful, guys. A lot of people are still predicting that the market will go to higher prices. And when traders are getting liquidated, when everybody's predicting we're going up, guess where the market will be going? We will see the market dumping to Goblin Town, just like we are doing right now. So, guys, where do you see the market heading in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you buying any altcoins on the dip? Drop in the live chat. Tell me which altcoins you see is having huge potential to the upside. Which altcoin do you think is going to have the biggest bounce when the market turns greens eventually? We can't keep dumping forever. We've been dumping for the last 1 week. At some point in time, a bounce is going to occur. How high do you see Bitcoin going? Right now, see Flow already. Floki is up around 47% in the last 24 hours. Let's take a look at Floki's chart. What possibly is making Floki to pump that high in the last 24 hours? Floki. How high can Floki go? Will this rally continue to the upside? Let's see. Floki Inu. I think this should be it. Floki Inu. What's making Floki pops? Guys, if any of you know what's making Floki Inu pump, why is it rallying more than 54% in the last 24 hours? Whoop! Look at this pump to the upside. Now, this might be happening with a lot of altcoins very soon. The last time we saw a huge pump to the upside for Floki Inu was in February. And since when Bitcoin continued rallying towards $31,000, we have seen Floki Inu lose 60% of its value. So we might not see Floki Inu setting new highs. This is the kind of pump to the upside I'm saying that we might see a lot of altcoins have that will get people bullish, thinking, you know what, all seasons around the corner will continue pumping to higher prices. Right now, Floki Inu has entered the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The market might be bouncing in the coming days and the coming weeks. Guys, remember the key levels we're talking about for Bitcoin. That $30,000 level will be very important. For Ethereum, when we get to that $2,000 level, pay close attention. And if we take a look at the altcoin market, if we see us rallying towards the $450 billion level in the coming days and the coming weeks, and we face rejection there, that will be a good time to take some profits off the table, getting ready to take advantage of that eventual dump. We will see the Goblin Town. And that indicator we'll be looking at very closely is Bitcoin dominance. If we see Bitcoin dominance having a sharp decline, maybe getting to the 44% dollar region and 44% region, guys, that will be a telltale sign that we might be getting to the end of this bear market rally. And take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is down over 7% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, king of all coins, is down around 12%. Some other big losers in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Solana is down almost 14% in the last 7 days. Polygon is down 14.9%. Dogecoin is down 13%. Cardano is down 11%. XRP is down 10%. So the altcoin market has been taking a huge beating. And if you go on the 60-day time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is still outperforming a lot of these altcoins. Bitcoin is up 14% in the last 60 days. We still have XRP up 17%, but apart from that, Dogecoin, Polygon, Matic, Solana, all of them have not been having positive returns in the last 60 days. Gainers and losers in the last 24 hours in the gainers section. Some few altcoins. Let me refresh this page. Let's see whether we'll have new gainers and new losers. Obviously, we have new gainers and new losers, guys. Floki Inu is up 51% in the last 24 hours. Render token is up 3%. Woo Network is up 2%. DYDX is up 2%. Fracture is up 2%. In the loser section, Pancake Swap is down 14%. Injective is down 7%. Arbitrum is down 7%. Zilliqa and New are both down over 5% in the last 24 hours. Trending coins, Floki is one of the trending coins. We're seeing more tweets on Floki. Floki is trending on Twitter, on CoinGecko. Pepe, one of the most popular meme coin I've seen in recent times, still trending on Twitter. Which other coins are trending? Arbitrum, CoveDIO, Floki Inu, trending on CoinGecko. On CoinMarketCap, we have Arbitrum, Band Protocol, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Those coins are having huge pumps. Sorry, they're not having huge pumps. Those coins are currently trending on CoinMarketCap. Let's take a look at some data about Bitcoin. There's a lot of fear in the market about Bitcoin. These charts here are going to give us some reassurance where Bitcoin is heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks. Now, we're going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin Investor 2-year multiplier tool. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around $27,000, and this multiplier tool is always telling us the best time to buy Bitcoin. So anytime Bitcoin is below this green line, in the past, it has always been a good time, because if you look at what has happened over time, buying below the green line has turned out to be a very good decision. Now, right now, Bitcoin is trading below that green line. If I zoom in so that I can see exactly what Bitcoin is doing, the top of that green line for Bitcoin is around the $34,000 region. So what this chart is telling us that Bitcoin below $4,000 kind of look cheap. But remember, guys, it doesn't mean we're not going to get dumped to Goblin Town. Take a look at what has happened in the past. Bitcoin has traded for a very long time below that green line. So there's no guarantees that Bitcoin will not still stay maybe 2-3 months, maybe even 5 months below the green line. But history has shown that over time, buying below the green line has proven to be a very wise choice if you're a long-time investor. The Crypto Unicorn Index tells us how many projects has a market cap of over $1 billion. And right now, we only have 48 projects. The crypto market has been dumping in the last 1 week. In the last 1 week, we have seen altcoins having huge dumps to the downside. The altcoin market is still going to pump again, guys. If you stay long enough in the crypto market, you're going to see huge pumps to the upside, just like we're seeing with Floki right now. Why is Floki pumping to the upside? A lot of times we see altcoins pumping this way, as probably trending on Twitter for whatever reason. Let's check Twitter. Let's even see why Floki is pumping. As a matter of fact, right now I'm very curious. Why is Floki pumping? Floki Inu is pumping for some weird reasons. In the last 1 hour, I've seen over 500 tweets. Congrats to Floki Inu. Binance US is listing Floki Inu. That's actually why it's pumping. Interesting to see. Binance is actually going to be listing Floki Inu, and the token is up over 60% in the last 24 hours and continue pumping. Shout out to all the people holding Floki Inu, but remember, guys, you don't want to be somebody's exit liquidity. Most of the time that we hear all these kind of news stories, you see big pump in the market. As long as Floki Inu is still trading below that $0.00004 region, be very careful. We have seen it dump to Goblin Town. I'll not be shocked if this is just an exit liquidity pump. We have been seeing it dumping since February of 2023. As long as Floki Inu is still below that $0.00053 region, this rally is very suspect, and we can easily see it turn down and start dumping to Goblin Town. Now, let's take a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Chinese city public servants to receive digital yuan salaries starting May Personnel in public service, public institutions, and state-owned units at all levels in the city will be compensated with digital yuan. They're actually trying to push their CBDC. China is among the countries actively pushing their central bank digital currencies, and right now they will be paying public civil servants with their CBDCs. Bybit to introduce mandatory KYC requirements starting from May 8th. Users without know your customer verification had a daily withdrawal limit of 20,000 USDT on Bybit prior to the announcement. But it looks as if Bybit is going full gangster mode starting on the 8th of May. Know your customer identity verification will be mandatory for all products and services offered by the crypto exchange. It looks as if that's what a lot of these exchanges do. They get everybody to come to the exchange, register with them. After they register with them, they'll now start introducing their mandatory KYC. At that level, they're already popular, and you already know that that is necessary for your own safety. OpenAI CTO says government regulators should be very involved in regulating AI. The executive recently sounded off about government regulators, the pause later, and how close the company is to reaching artificially general intelligence. AI coins in crypto are still pumping, but be very, very careful, guys. I took a look at those AI coins the last few days. Let's take a look at like Fetch.ai. Fetch.ai had huge pump to the upside. Also, SingularityNet, one of those altcoins that had huge pump to the upside. Fetch.ai rallied up by more than 1,000% in this rally. So AI coins have had huge pumps to the upside. AGIX and AI coin that have seen big pumps to the upside. Take a look at what SingularityNet has done since November. We have seen SingularityNet also give us more than 1,000% pump to the upside. Do you think the AI craze is over? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. But right now, Binance integrates ChatGPT into Web3 Academy. Binance released a new AI-driven tool. It's named the Binance Sensei that uses machine learning to generate answers from its educational platform to help users learn about Web3. So at least AI is having a good use in crypto. Binance is putting it to use, and OKX staff issues clarification amidst shell token purchases inquiry. It appears certain individuals have developed an interest in purchasing listing tokens that no longer have market value or developmental activities. China to expand CBDC use case for Belt and Road Initiative. China was the first nation to start working on its CBDC. However, despite the completion of its development, the government is yet to officially launch the CBDC. Guys, do you think we're going to see China launching their CBDCs anytime soon? Do you think the US is going to join China and launch their own CBDCs? CBDCs has been the talk of the town in the last few years. Where do you think we're going to go? Right now, Bitcoin is still holding support. And hopefully, if Bitcoin just start pumping to higher prices in the next few days, a lot of greed will turn back to the market. People are scared. We have seen meme coins pumping. That's another indication that Altseason is coming. I just forgot that. Thank God I remembered. Meme coins have been pumping to higher prices. If you take a look at trending coins in the market, meme coins are among the trending coins. So maybe, just maybe, where do you think all that liquidity is going to go eventually? It's going to find its way back into the altcoin market. Luna is not a security. South Korean court rules in Terra co-founder's case. The court says it's difficult to see the Luna token as financial investment product regulated by the Capital Market Act. Big win for the altcoin market. Romanian plugs into Web3 with national NFT marketplace. Romania Informatics Institution is set to launch an institution NFT trading platform using Web3 to create a link between the public and private sectors. And World Economic Forum promo video shows Bitcoin mining but leaves out the Bitcoin world. The video shows multiple scenes duplicating roles of what appears to be Bitcoin mining rig, but the cryptocurrency never got a mention. Remember, the World Economic Forum is not one of those people that are big Bitcoin supporters. They have been talking about taking Bitcoin green, how Bitcoin is destroying the planet. They have always been fighting Bitcoin. And right now, it looks as if they are warming towards Bitcoin because this is one of their reports right here. We are seeing them showing Bitcoin mining rigs. Even though they didn't talk about Bitcoin, they talked about mining cryptocurrencies and others. So maybe, hopefully, the World Economic Forum will come to like Bitcoin for what it is. US Treasury seeks to tighten non-bank rules following banking crisis. Janet Yellen calls for further regulation of non-banking institutions, claiming they pose a systemic risk to the US financial stability. Guys, in the bear market, we're always hearing bad news, and right now, a lot of news in the market is scaring. A lot of news in the market is making people not believe the rally. This rally has been very, very hated. I'm sure a lot of people are thinking, you know what, Bitcoin cannot continue pumping to higher prices, and slowly but surely we are grinding our way to the upside. We even saw Ethereum return back to the $1,300 region, and then Bitcoin continued pumping. We saw Ethereum pumping. Ethereum has gone up by 53%. We're very, very curious enough. The altcoin market didn't just continue pumping to higher prices for some weird reasons. The altcoin market only went up by 24%. And normally, everything in the market is going to pump eventually. And that's why I believe in the coming days and coming weeks, get ready to see altcoins pumping to higher prices. Floki Inu is pumping. It has been listed on Binance. We might see some other altcoins taking off just off that news. But if we see Floki Inu dumping right now, guys, that might just be a telltale sign that the market is not ready for any news to pump anything to the upside. SEC wins $2.8 million in suit over alleged crypto token price manipulation. Hydrogen Technology Corporation and its former CEO will pay $2.8 million in fine and remedies for allegedly operating a price manipulation scheme. It looks as if the SEC goes after everything minus the real scammers in the cryptocurrency market. But good for them, they won $2.8 million over Hydrogen Technology Corp. And Bank of Korea gives right to investigate local crypto firms. The South Korean Central Bank will be able to access crypto transaction data from exchange operating in the country. OPNX CEO scolds claims backers after some deny investing in the firm. OPNX chief Leslie Lamb called out a number of venture capitalist firms on Twitter after some rush to distance themselves from the company. OPNX is a crypto exchange that is being launched by those former traders in 3AC, and a lot of VCs are distancing themselves from them because of the crime that the former 3AC guys did, and right now they're starting an exchange and nobody wants to be part of that. We're already head in the coming days and in the coming weeks, only time will tell. But right now, they are hell-bent on starting this exchange called OPNX. The 3AC and FTX firm, they say they're going to be selling claims on bankruptcy crypto firms. How will that work? Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins are you guys holding? Floki Inu is pumping on a daily time frame. On a weekly time frame, the market is still dumping to Goblin Town. On a monthly time frame, we're still seeing big dumps to Goblin Town. Bitcoin at 27,000, Ethereum at 27,000, guys. Don't forget, tomorrow the live stream, same time. You can check out the channel for other altcoin videos. If you want any altcoin video requests, you can drop a thought in the comment section. We have portfolio updates, we have Bitcoin videos, Ethereum videos. No matter what coins you're holding in your portfolio, this is a channel for you. If you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can join and become a member. Check out the membership on the channel. We have 3 different levels. You can either become the family, you can become the general army, the Jedi general, or the clan. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Invite your friends. If you want latest crypto information, this is the channel for you. Remember, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. Follow us on social media platforms as Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.